So I'll start by ice breaking the fact that we don't just print stuff, we also make printers. When I was in my first year, I used to do 3D modeling and stuff. So 3D visualization was strong in myself. Plus, I was interested in technical activities. So when I heard of 3D printing club, I was like, okay, I'll be able to design my stuff. I'll be able to print my design. I'll be able to bring it to life. So 3 projects were taken last year. The last year projects were one of the project was pellet printer. Second was ceramic. Third was a software project that was done by 3D printing club. It was related to feature detection. So starting by pellet printer. Pellet printer is basically what happens is while generic printer prints with a filament, and filament is made from small bead-like structures. Bead-like structures are basically what we call them as pellets. So we just skip that process and we directly print it from pellets to large prints. Normally a printer is 400 mm, 300 mm, that's the base size of a printer. But the printer size of this pellet printer is 750 by 750 and the height is around 1000 mm. So that's a very big achievement in 3D printing industry. This year we are planning to take 3 more projects. One of them will be a metal printer. It's actually a new type of metal printer that uses ultrasonic sounds to print. We just take metal wires and we ultrasonically weld them so that there is no melting of metal required. Second will be the multi-nozzle printer. Normally what you have seen is a printer is just can print one filament or one material, but using a multi-nozzle printer we'll be able to combine properties of different materials together, like a flexible material, a brittle material, a hard material in one singular print, and that too in reducing the cost, reducing the effort. So the project that we are taking up is making filaments from the used prints that were not completed or something. So we'll be able to recycle the prints and reduce the wastage to up to 30 to 35%. And that will be a great effort from our side.